Hi, my loves y amores. This is Shell's Jewel, and we're going to be unboxing everything. Now, make sure that you guys stay to the very end because I'm going to be doing a very special giveaway for one of you guys, inspired by all the beautiful shells of the sea. And as you can see, I had to have a beautiful background for you guys, my beautiful nails, of course, this beautiful crown, all for you guys so we could be all in theme. Let's take a look at the box and
Do you love beautiful things? Make sure you like and subscribe.
look at all this beautiful stuff, my loves. This is the color correcting primer in the minty green. Now they also have it in purple, and green is known to be great for redness. So if you're dealing with sunburns or you have acne or any type of redness, green is the color to go. And if you're choosing the purple, purple is really good for correcting any type of dullness. So if you want to have brightness underneath your eyes, that would be the perfect color to use. And let's open it up. And ooh, this really big pimple right here near my lip. So we're going to try this. Now I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger, and I'm going to put it right on these spots. Now, I remember when color correcting was such a big deal. I remember when I had discovered one. It was this little wheel and it had all the colors, and I felt like it was the most amazing thing, and I loved being able to color correct. So I'm glad that they're actually bringing this back. Now I put a little bit of green here, and I'm just gonna dot it and see, like, even without me putting any foundation on top, can you guys see that, my loves? The redness is like dulling.
So I grabbed this photo and I asked ChatGPT if she could create a beautiful cartoon of me. And look at this, my loves. Oh my God, isn't that so adorable? Okay, so next time that you guys have a new project or you guys just want to do something creative, insert a photo of you guys and ask ChatGPT to create something special. I know you guys are gonna love this.
I'm gonna put some around my nose. I'm a little bit red there. Oh yeah, I can see how that color corrects. And I'm actually gonna go with my foundation, which is the one that I always talk about that I absolutely love, which is by Chanel, because I just love how it's just so illuminating and it's just such a beautiful coverage and looks so dewy on the skin. I always like to use my finger, specifically my ring finger, and just go really lightly in, and we'll cover that up, and just in any areas as well too. And oh yeah, I can see that redness disappear. Ooh, okay, so we have color makeup palette in Moonlight Pearl. Now everything that you guys see, my loves, I'm gonna be putting prices below so that you guys can see how much every single item is. And now let's open it up, and ooh, oh, this is so pretty, my loves. I love this beautiful glistening. Now I do have to say though is that I do feel like the product, it feels almost like a little girl's makeup. So let's see how the product looks. And I'm gonna go into this little shell. Oh, that has 4 different matte colors and 2 sparkles. So I like the fact that it has that. And then we're gonna put that on our eyelids. And let's see. So it's applying really beautiful. And then we're gonna go into the heart. I'm just gonna. So I do feel like these colors are not anything special. I mean, I feel like that we've seen a lot of these colors in the Flower Nose palettes. I am interested to see the sparkles, and I'm actually gonna go into this. It almost looks like this very pretty mauve, sparkly pink. Ooh, the sparkles are really pretty. Oh, I really like the sparkles, my loves. Ooh, what is this? Oh, and it says live your fairy tales. You know that on this channel, I love to inspire imagination by using just beautiful things to inspire. And oh, I absolutely love this. I mean, this is absolutely beautiful. This box is so beautiful with the shell and the pearls, crystal pearl. Ooh, oh, that's really pretty. Oh, the detailing is really nice. I love all the purple shells and the blue little stars and the little jellyfish. Oh, that is so adorable. I have 3 different colors, blue, pink, and pearly white. have the pearly white, and this is really pretty. It has a purple tone on the inside. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. And okay, I love the fact that this is a shell. Like, this is absolutely adorable. And let's open her up, and oh, that is so pretty. The detailing on the inside with the shell and the bows and just everything on the inside is super pretty. Now, I do have to say, just like the eyeshadow palette, I do feel like it feels a little bit cheap. It does feel a little bit, I feel like, aluminum. It definitely has that little kid's vibe to it. I know I have to have a brush in here somewhere. Oh, here we go. This is the Angled Blush brush in Crystal Pink. Okay, all these names, there's Crystal Pearl all in here, and I absolutely love it. And oh, this is really pretty. I love the pink and the way that it's angled. That is so pretty. It is in the diamond cut, and so far what I'm really loving is this brush. I love the way that that looks. Now, this blush is really neat because it has hydrating vitamin E, and it also is a dual blush. It also has highlight in it. I can see that in the color. Oh, that's pretty. So I could, if I wanted to, I wouldn't even need to put highlight. This is really good for the summer, because if you don't want to use multiple products, one of the things that I love is a dual action product that has more than one. So if you are taking this for the summer, it's really nice because it already has a shimmer on top. Ooh, this is the Nourishing Lip Glaze. This is in P08 Coconut Latte. Ooh, it's making me want to have a coconut drink right now. And let's open this one up, and oh my goodness, my loves. Do you guys see this? This is absolutely beautiful. It has a shell at the top with a pearl. Now let's try it out. Now, right now I do have lipstick on, but I'm gonna take it off. I always love to add liner, which you can do with or without, but I just feel that a little bit of liner just makes your lips nice and pouty. So let's put a little bit of liner. Oh, and this one is from NYX Cosmetics in the Loud. Now, a little tip for you guys that costs nothing is that if you want to make your lips even more pouty, put a couple of lines right down the middle, just like that. I always put like 2 to 3 lines, just like that, and then just use your finger to blend it in, just like that. And already it creates that little bit of poutiness right in the middle. It gives that little plump. My other video that I did of Flower Nose, the strawberry collection, which if you guys have not seen it, go check it out after this video. I actually was not impressed with the lip glosses. So let's see how this one measures up. And ooh, okay, it's hitting my nostrils and it smells amazing. Ooh, I really like this lip gloss. Now, this one comes in multiple shades, from pinks to more of browns. You know how lip oils have been the biggest thing? Well, this definitely has that feeling. What do you guys think? Oh, okay. This is actually something new from Flower Nose. This is the this is 02 and Dreamy Pink. This is the baked powder. And I've been really curious to try these baked powders. Now, I've used just the powders before with the brushes, but this one is really neat. Oh my goodness, my lips. Look how pretty that is. Oh, there's the blues, the purple, the pinks, and oh, it looks so pretty. Now, I really love how you open it up and has that powder. And oh, you guys know how I love to put my little mini pops in my baking powders, but I really love the way this is. I see, because I am a little bit shiny up here and down here. See? Ooh, okay, it's definitely mattifying everything.
Loves, because you guys are always so supportive of me, I purchased an extra box full of makeup just for one of you guys. And check this out. Now, to enter, all you have to do is send me an email to the CrystalPearl giveaways. I'll put the email in the description below, and one winner will be selected next week. I love you guys. Mwah!
Here, and look how mattified that is. Here above my brow, and down here. Oh yeah. Oh, it's really mattifying. Oh, that's nice. And I am an oily girl, so I have to extra powder myself. What do you guys think, my loves? Because we took all that shine away, I know there has to be some highlighter in here. And okay, this one I was really excited about. I saw the photos for this and I'm like, I have to get my hands on this. This is the highlighter Balm in Moonlight Stone, and it comes in pink and blue with a pearl keychain, my loves, to add to your keys. And oh my goodness, look at this, my loves. Look at this shell. And look at the way that it opens up, my loves. It says Shell's Jewel. Look at that, my loves. Oh my God. See, and it hooks up just like this. And look at that, my loves, with the pink bow. Oh my God. If this does not scream crystal pearl, I don't know what does. Like, with these pearls, with the pink, it's so girly, so coquette. It's just absolutely beautiful and so pretty. Okay, so it is extremely pigmented, my loves. It is very pigmented. You can use in so many ways. I could even put a little bit on my collarbone, just like that. That's a little trick for you guys. Now, with this collection, we also get these hair clips that are absolutely adorable. We get a shell with a pearl that I absolutely love, and we get a star with a pearl, and these are so pretty, especially going out to the beach, going out to the pool. And we also get a makeup remover wipe. Now, we didn't get any stickers. I absolutely love getting stickers, so I'm surprised they didn't put it in this collection, or I don't know if my box just didn't come with it. But now this is a very cute collection. The theme of it is absolutely beautiful, but I did feel that the material of the products were really cheap. I feel like it felt very plasticky, and I do feel that in the other Flower Nose collections, the material of the actual products have felt better. I do feel that it looks a little girl-ish. I feel like I'm gonna open this like little kids compact. So I would actually skip on the eyeshadow palette. I do feel that we all have some sort of nude palette already in our collection. So that is something that I wouldn't purchase, but I did really like the glitters. I felt that the shimmers and the glitters were really pretty, and it was very pigmented. Now, as far as the mirror is always beautiful. And if you love Flower Nose, it's really beautiful for you to be able to collect. The blush I really liked because it was a 2-in-1. It had that highlight in it plus the color. So if you are looking for a really pretty blush for the summer, that one I really liked. Now, as far as the powder did look really nice. I felt that it mattified everything, but it isn't something necessarily that I would purchase or go out of my way. Now, what I really did love was the lip gloss. Now, if you guys remember in my other videos, it's been hit or misses with the lip glosses, but this one was really nice. It actually just looked like a glazed donut on my lips, and it was absolutely stunning, and it is perfect for the beach, for the summer. That was really pretty. The hair clips, of course, were absolutely adorable, and we can't forget the beautiful keychain. It is really pretty, and even if you just put it on your keychain on the go and you use the glitter to put on your cheekbones, your nose, your collarbone, it is absolutely adorable. Now, let me know in the comments below what you guys thought of this collection. Now, if you guys want to continue having fun with me, go check out my 5-minute summer makeup that's not only beautiful, but it's also sweat proof, and it's under 5 minutes. And if you want to see more Flower Nose videos, go check out my playlist above. I love you guys so much for watching. Los amo. Mwah!